I'm Tina Hunsey, and I'm in health and wellness. I found Beach Boss through an informational video from Brandy Shaver probably 2 years ago. One of my main struggles was being authentic on social media and being me, but also not being a Spamela Pamela and writing 50 messages and getting 0 responses. The biggest takeaway from the workshop is there is a massive support group of fantastic, brilliant women that are here to help you. These 5 women have a proven system that they've put into place themselves and taught many others this duplicatable system. They're willing to lock arms with me and walk in my journey and in my path to help me be my very best and the very best leader and team coach for my entire group. I would absolutely recommend this to all network marketers because you deserve to have the very best tools in your tool belt to make you the most successful. Quit wasting time and quit wasting money.